Hey guys, Heath McConnell here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about preparing for a day hike. I've had many people come up to me and ask, hey man, you like to go hiking? I see you posting all kinds of stuff. What does it take to go hiking? I don't know what to do. I want to go out there and hike on some trail, but I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. I don't know what I need to bring, how much water. I have a lot of questions. So today I'm going to talk about how to prep for just a day hike. Basic beginner type thing. So basically what I do is I determine what do I want to see. Do I want to see a creek such as this, or do I want to see a waterfall? Do I just want to go for a hike out in the woods somewhere? Do I want to go somewhere that's, as far as distance wise, do I want to go somewhere that's 15 minutes away? Do I want to go somewhere that's an hour away? Do I want to travel a couple hours and go over the Cascades to the other side? Or do I want to hike at the coast or whatever? You have to determine what you want to see. And then the next thing I determine is how long do I want to spend in the day on this whole entire thing. So if I have, let's say, 6 hours, and that gives me, let's say I want to drive an hour. So right now I can think of a place that within 1 hour I would choose this one place. It would be a hike along a creek mostly. There wouldn't be that many people there, and it would be a well-established trail. The next thing I would need to decide is what to bring, and I have created a video on what I bring on my day pack. So you can check that video out. I won't go into what I bring in that, but you definitely need to bring some things, especially some essentials. The other thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you tell a friend, give a friend or someone that cares about you an itinerary, and stick to that itinerary. I typically will give the person some coordinates of some areas that I'm thinking of stopping at, and highlight on a map, and I email it to them. That's typically what I do whenever I'm going to go out and inform someone. The other thing that I've been asked is, how much water do you need? Well, it really depends on how hot it is, how dry it is, if there will be water around, such as a creek like this, where I can just get my water filter, scoop it up, take a drink. If there's no water, for me, in some of my longer hikes, I have determined that in this kind of a climate, I go through about 2 liters in 10 miles, roughly. Depending if it gets hotter or more humid, or I get thirsty, I may drink more, I may drink less, but I plan to have at least 2 liters of water to go on a hike. You may plan only 1, it depends. I mean, if you're just going, say, for a mile, 1 liter water might work for you. You'll need to figure out what works for you. To recap everything that I've said and kind of drive the points home, first you need to decide what it is that you want to do. Do you want to go hike and see a waterfall, a creek, just go for a little day hike, a mile, 4 miles, 10 miles? Those are all mileages for day hikes. Then you need to consider how much time in the day you want to have for that. You'll have to consider travel time. How long is it going to take you to get there and get back? And then that'll determine how long you have to hike. So you may have to hike in, turn around, come back. Loops, if you're going to do a loop and come back, or hike in and come back, you can use your car. If you plan to through hike to somewhere, like start somewhere and hike to another spot, you'll have to think about shuttle, like have another friend with another car park at the other end, or look for a shuttle service. There's lots of shuttle services here in our state. Let's see, what else? I will also bring up that for planning, researching places to hike, I use a valuable tool. It's an app on my phone called AllTrails, and I will do another video going into the details of how I use AllTrails. I'm not going to go into that here, but there's a lot of different aspects in that app, that I use for hiking. I appreciate you stopping by and checking out the video. If you like this video, I ask that you leave some comments below, subscribe to my channel, and get out there and hike. Adventure awaits.